Hey,
Yo!
long time.
Hello, everybody. I know it's been a while, but the girls out on a road trip.
Sick of us.
We're going up north in our state because we're trying to get a little bit of snow or winter at least. You know, here our winter is like 70 degrees. So let's see. Come with us.
Okay, see you guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
We made it. Just do this. Come on, push. This time we're gonna go down our stomach. Yeah. We gotta, I think, go a little bit up first.
Okay, ready?
Where, you holding it?
Oh, yeah.
You hold it.
What are you gonna hold?
The camera.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Help! Wait. Shoot. Okay. Oh, check. She's getting tired already. You getting tired? Let's go back. Hey, quick snack break. We'll go back in a little bit. Uy. We're just eating more of our gas station snacks. These things are good. That's all there is to it. Guys, we got so tired. We're so unathletic. We only had to climb up the ramp so we can slide down, and we got tired from that.
That's how you know we need to work out. We are really like
So we're here at a deer farm.
they want to eat. Yeah.
Come get it. Boa feeding the girl. Boa thinks the animals are racist.
Yeah.
Tired.
So,
Okay.